Next one, 9.4, page number 326. So, hydrocarbons. Write IUPAC names of the products obtained by the ozonolysis of the following compounds. Number 1, pent-2-ene, 3,4-dimethylheptethreene, 2-ethyl-but-1-ene, 1-phenyl-but-1-ene. So, first one, pent-2-ene. So, pent means 5 carbons. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E, second place double bond. Second place contains double bond. Then remaining H, CH3, 1, 2, 3. Here H, here 1, 2, 3 H, CH2, CH3. Then ozonolysis, we can add O3 bar Zn plus H2O. So Zn plus H2O. Then simply break the double bond, add one O and O. That is the answer. Simply break the double bond and add O one side and O another side. So it is the answer. Then the answer is CH3CHO, CH3CHO plus CH3CH2CHO, CH3CH2CHO. So here ozone is three atoms oxygen. One is added left side, one is added right side. Remaining O enter into the H2O. Then the byproduct is H2O2. Is H2O2. So it is not necessary to write. So another O comes to H2O plus by adding H2O converted into hydrogen peroxide H2O2. So then its name is 2 carbons. So he is asked IUPAC names. So it is to ask generally acetaldehyde, but IUPAC name is ethanol. Ethanol. It is propanol. It is propanol. So common name is propanaldehyde. IUPAC is propanol. Next one, answer ethanol, propanol. Next one, B is 3,4-dimethyl hept B. Dimethylheptethreene. Hept means 7 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So numbering. So 7. Hept 3, 4 dimethyl. Third place, fourth place contains methyl, and the third place contains C. It has E. Then adding hydrogens 1, 2, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, CH2, CH2, CH3. So the ozonolysis Zn plus H2O, simply break the double bond, add one O left side, add one O right side. Add one O left side, add one O right side. CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. So CO, CH3 plus CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. Another one is CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. So its name is 1, 2, 3, 4. So second place ketone. So bit 2 O. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons bit. Second place contains O, ketone. Its name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means pent. Second place contains O, ketone. So bit 2 O, pent 2 O answer. So for this second one, the answer is bit 2 O, pent 2 O. Next, third one, 2-ethyl bit 1-ene. 2-ethyl bit 1-ene. So bit means 4 carbons. 4 carbons, give numbering. Next, second place contains ethyl. Ethyl means C2H5. So first place contains E, double bond. Then adding hydrogen atoms, here CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next CH2, CH3. So then O3 bar Zn plus H2O. So simply break the double bond, add one O and one O. Then CH2O. CH2O means HCHO. HCHO means formaldehyde. Then CH3, CH2, CO, CH5. Another one is, second one is CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CO, C2H5. CO, C2H5. So its name is formaldehyde, common name. IUPAC name is methanol. One carbon aldehyde, so methanol. Its name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 carbons means pent. Third place contains ketone. Pent 3 one. Pent 3 one. Methanol is the answer for third question. Next, fourth question. 1 phenyl bit 1 ene. 1 phenyl bit 1 ene. So bit means 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 phenyl. First place contains phenyl. Phenyl means C6H5. Similarly, first place contains ene. Ene means here ene. So then by adding hydrogens, H. So 1, 2, 3, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4. CH2, CH3. So then O3 bar ZnH2O. Then break the double bond, adding O. So the answer is C6H5CHO, C6H5CHO plus CH3CH2CHO, CH3 CH2CHO. Its name is benzaldehyde. Its name is benzaldehyde. Its name is propanol. 3 carbons and aldehyde. It is the propanol. So it is the answer. So thank you. Please subscribe.